Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, so I just wanted to hop on here and say hi to everybody. How are you doing? Show me your WIPs in the comment section. If you're on Facebook, share a photo. If you're on YouTube, just type what you're making today. I'd like to know what you're working on. I love to get inspiration from everybody, and you guys have inspired me so much recently. I am back to it. Like, I am crocheting and getting all these tutorials out, and I love it so much. And so I wanted to share with you some of the crochet projects that I've been working on and some future projects that I am going to be sharing very soon. So to start off, big project that we just finished, and I took pictures of my husband, Nate, in. This is the scarf pattern that we just finished. Look at that. It is so fabulous. It's the Uptown scarf blanket scarf pattern, and it is using this diamond trellis stitch with front post treble crochet stitches. It looks really intricate, but it is actually very simple, and I just love this pattern so much. And it would actually be good for a man or a woman, but my husband looked really good in it, and I took a bunch of fabulous photos of him in that, and it would just look really nice and urban and very modern for a male type of scarf, because it's not too feminine of a stitch. So I really enjoyed making this piece and sharing it with everybody. So I'll link that in the description of this video. If you haven't seen that tutorial yet, you have to jump on it and make these for the men in your life and the women in your life for the holidays coming up. This is such an awesome pattern, and I just think that with the fall and winter coming, this is a great project to start. So I just wanted to share that project was finished and posted. And even before that, I started our Halloween costumes, and I'm just loving making them. Every year, Halloween is so big around here, and we love making the crochet costumes and thrifting some other things and creating in different ways and using different mediums. And so I think it was like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I made this romper, the Sweet Dream romper for my son Nasser. It is so cute, and he looks so adorable in it. And these super fancy buttons were from the Etsy shop Would Be Fancy. That is also linked in the description of this video, so make sure you check out the Would Be Fancy shop. They have the crochet hooks and the wooden buttons. But this is one of the projects that we made a couple weeks ago. Super fabulous, and it's part of the Halloween costume and for Nasser. And today my parents were at my house and we were filming, and we made the other part of Nasser's Halloween costume. So I made this cute little bonnet. It's like a hood kind of thing. So this little bonnet here, very simple, very basic design, but this is what it looks like. Okay, and then around this, the crown will sit. Look at the crown. It is so adorable. I love it, and it doesn't fit me because it's for my baby, but isn't that the cutest? This is going to be called the King Crown, and then this is the Sweet Dream Bonnet. So these are not on the blog yet, but they will be very soon, so make sure you stay tuned. This one is super cute and super fun, and we use Red Heart fur yarn. That's this fur. Okay, it is so fabulous, and this is the color mink, and then the crown itself is gold Super Saver. This is Red Heart Super Saver yarn. So if you want to make the same thing as me, just get one skein of the Red Heart Super Saver gold and one ball of this fur yarn, and you can make this too. It'd be cute for, you know, a first birthday party even, or for just like the costume, if you want to make the costume something really cute. So I think it's adorable. I want to make it bigger so it fits me because it's so cute, but it's so cute on Nasser, and we took some really fabulous pictures of him in it, and he's so funny. He's like, "Mom, come on." I can't handle this. But yeah, and this bonnet is super cute. It is a very warm costume, but in Wisconsin, October gets to be quite chilly around that time of year. So he's gonna be all nice and warm and toasty in his cute little romper. and his cute little bonnet and crown. So make sure to check out the romper pattern is already on YARNutopia.com, and then the crown is called the King Crown, and that's going to be coming out very soon, along with this Sweet Dream Bonnet that's going to come out very soon too. So stay tuned, new projects coming out, and I am just so happy to have so many projects on my hook. I cannot wait to share what's next. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. New projects on my hook. I'm all excited. But my parents are here. They're watching Nasser right now. We are going to go eat some pizza. We're going to go out to dinner right now. And I hope you all have a great rest of your week. This weekend, we have one of our best friends are getting married. So we are going to a wedding on Saturday. And my parents are going to come and watch Nasser while Nate and I go to this wedding, so I'm really excited about that. And then we're just going to have a great time with my parents and hang out with Nas, and then we're going to just chill for the rest of the weekend. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next Wednesday. Happy hooking!